Okay, so today we'll start new chapter, cell, structure and function unit of life. So in this chapter we'll be studying about cell. So what is cell? So I don't know you have studied before or not. Cell means structural and functional unit of life. Structural and functional unit of life means cell give us structure. Cell give us structure, like we are having structure, we are having shape. So these things has been provided by cell. Like every people have different faces. That is due to the number of cells present in the faces, body. Due to that their size, everything increases or decreases. Fine. So structural and functional unit of life. Functional means everything in our day-to-day life, whatever function, whatever the metabolic activities what we are doing, like to be alive, we require nutrients, we need to excrete, we need to digest the thing. Everything is being done by cell. So they provide us, that means they perform, they do function so that we will be alive. Is it clear? So you can write one question. Write in your copy, what is cell? Question number 1, what is cell? So question is what is cell, and you can write your answer. The structural and functional unit of life. The structural and functional unit of life is called cell. यानी हमको जो structure देता है, body structure, face structure, ear structure, nose structure, everything has been provided by cell. And our day-to-day life activities, everything is being done by cell. That means they perform the function also. So the structural and functional unit of life is called cell. The structural and functional unit of life is called cell. Now next question you can write. Who discovered cell and when? 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 So your answer will be Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke. R-O-B-E-R-T. Robert Hooke. H-O-O-K-E. Robert Hooke in 1665. Robert Hooke in 1665. Okay? Robert Hooke in 1665. That means Robert Hooke discovered cell in 1665. Remember that Robert Hooke has discovered dead cell. He was the first person to discover cell, and he discovered dead cell by cork cell. Cork cell, that means the bark, you know bark, right? Trees, पेड़ का जो छिलका जो होता है, that is called the bark. तो उसके अंदर में जो सेल था उसको उसने माइक्रोस्कोप में देखा. उस समय माइक्रोस्कोप अच्छा नहीं होता था. It was not well developed microscope. So he used that and he saw that there are some compartment. Compartment means room like structure. Like you have seen beehives, मधुमक्खी का छत्ता, उसमें छोटा room type रहता है ना. So that was termed as, that means it can be termed as compartment, but Robert Hooke termed that compartment as cell. Like you have heard that people who live in jail, that is also known as cell. Do you know that? So same way he termed this as cell. So dead cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. But living cell, if someone asks you who discovered living cell, so you will be saying living cell was discovered by Leeuwenhoek. Okay, Antonio Leeuwenhoek. So next question you can write, who discovered living cell? Who discovered living cell? So your answer will be Antonio Leeuwenhoek. Antonio Leeuwenhoek.